about the MSRP on that C8?
I didn't look that far into it. I watched I skimmed through the live stream after it was done, and I just watched clips of it on the track and stuff, like the exhaust sounds.
I looked it up on Google and it says around 85,000, but that's a joke. There's no way.
Yeah, I watched the That Dude in Blue video, and that's what he said. But he's like, there's no way it's actually going to be anywhere close to that, because with all the new cars that have been coming out, they've been marking everything up.
Yeah, I'm saying probably close to 150.
Yeah. I mean,
okay,
with a markup, or
starts at 97K, and the Z07 will be upwards 130. Then add dealer markup.
Dealer's gonna make that 6 figures easy.
yeah.
Huh? No one's gonna get a Z06 under 6 figures.
Oh, no doubt.
No way.
You guys, based on the date I was on there, you guys did this one a while ago.
2019.
2019.
The 2018 actually. November of 2018. We basically did a full stage 4 on it. We did this guy's truck too. Okay. He has a blue 6.2 truck we put a Whipple on.
Nice.
Yeah, we did this in 2018 and then he just brought it back and we did a clutch and off-road X pipe. That's it. This thing's making an insane torque. Making good power too, but it's making insane torque. 566, 641 power. I mean, that's good. And I honestly think it might make a few more.
.647 and 567. This one surprised you a little bit? Nah.
No, we've had them make 660 before. Torque is killer.
Yeah.
So the torque is really, really good. Power is good, but we've had a handful make more, but I think that might tie our torque record, honestly, I think.
What's up, Kyle? You got another clutch.
Another clutch.
And a C6 Z06 here. Yeah. Little yellow guy.
Disconnect this. I disconnect the control arms at the top and the shock on each side to get the suspension unbolted. And once the suspension's unbolted, take the two brake lines off over here and the trans cooler line, and then ship it.
I'll tell you one thing, I did eat a lot of them.
What, the munchkins?
Yeah. Dude, there was like 100 glaze in there, and I think I ate 30 of them.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they're gutted. I must have
you can specify when you go there. You don't want any chocolate.
Like, is this one stock right now?
No.
No?
Nope. One I did a while back.
What'd you do that? Was it before I was here?
Oh yeah.
Okay. What did it get done back then?
Well, I'd rather bring it down then so you can see
Okay.
the hood and shit. This thing came in probably, want to say, maybe a little over a year ago. I'm not, maybe longer than that. I lose track of time. But this one got our cam, ported blower, no LP snout. We kept the stock snout, stock throttle body. We did the K&N intake, because it's really the only intake, one of the only intakes you can do with the stock snout. Our fuel system, meth. I mean, this thing still has stock manifolds. It's in now for headers, the ported LP snout, the Kong 5-inch intake. Did the lower last time when I did the cam. Stock upper still, so we'll definitely change that. I forget what power it made. You'd have to look that up, but yeah.
So you gotta throw in new plugs, right?
Yeah, put the plugs in. They just plugs. Take the spacers out of the these spacers from all the other 2 sensors apparently.
Yeah, and then
take them out so Fran can know what the hell they're reading.
Yeah.
We just did a one and the guy traded it.
So I guess this guy came, what, he drove the whole way down from New Hampshire?
I guess.
I talked to him this morning.
Wow.
Yeah, that's what he said.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I know it has a New Hampshire plate on it.
Yeah. So you just got headers, and is everything else is pretty much stock?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it fucking made however many pounds of boost, 9. So yeah.
Is that stock for those?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I miss mine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need another one. If the market wasn't so crazy right now, I'd buy another one, but...
Yeah, I agree with you. It's pretty... Everything is gnarly.
Dude, you used to be able to buy these things for like you could get a 10 3LZ with like 20,000, 30,000 miles on it, and you used to be able to buy it for like high 50s. Mm-hmm. Like that same car right now is like 7.
That's insane.
Yeah, it is.
It's ridiculous.
I mean, I got good money for mine, but like I sold mine, I guess, at like the middle of the market. Yeah. And then that guy sold it 3 months later I sold it for 80. He sold it for 89. Like 2 or 3 months later.
So these are advertised as like what to the factory? Like 650?
638, I think.
638. So like when you guys are probably baseline one stock.
They'll make
right?
550-ish. Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes less. 540. Depends on the car. I forgot how like slow these things are stock compared to like what they can be with like simple mods.
Yeah.
Like I'm so not used to being in the ZR1 and having like this long of a dyno pull.
Yeah, you used to it being like.
Yeah, I'm used to it being half as fast or twice as fast, but whatever.
You smell it too.
Yeah, that is wicked.
Yeah, you like that?
Yeah, my nostrils are not
That is
enjoying
rough, ain't it?
it. Yeah, and you're in the thick of it.
Woo!
That is strong, dude.
Smells like. Oh, yo, yo.
When we light. Quick, she wait for with these ones? Or no? Oh my god! Oh, no way! Jesus Christ!
Got him.
That was like an inch from my face,
like
dude.
I thought
You
the
literally-
car was falling down or something.
We got him.
All I heard, dude, I swear it squeaked. Dude, you got me good. Woo!
Frame in here is almost.
Now I gotta leave. Now I have to leave that in there, though. I don't know. Oh, you know what sounds really good? Milkshake with some ice cream in it. And
A milkshake with some ice cream in it. What the f do you think a milkshake's made out of? You gotta get down here for a second.
After I said that, I realized how dumb that sounded.
Do you know what a milkshake is?
I know what a milkshake is.
Clearly you don't.
I just.
That's so good it's gotta go in the group chat.
That's so good. That's gonna go in the.
Yeah,
All right.
that is a classic.
Yeah, just for you, I'll leave it in there. And because it was pretty funny. But.
Oh yeah, you're gonna get some laughs out of that one.
Not the good kind though.
I just wish they could see your face when you said it.
Yeah.
You were like, you kind of like noticed what you said.
I noticed what I said as soon as I finished the sentence, and I was just like, oh no. It's like, but it's too late then. You can't do anything.
Oh yeah, it's too late. Came out of your mouth. I heard it.
Kyle heard it. Camera heard it. There we are.
What's that?
Get American Racing, right?
Yep, sure is.
Yeah. I don't really use too many others. I don't think I've seen them install anything else, have we?
Hooks sometimes.
Or hooks, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm a fiend for buffalo chicken dip.
Yeah, me too, buddy.
Anytime it's at a party, I just kind of hover near the dish.
Oh, I know, man. I'm the same way.
And then once it's all gone, then I migrate to something else. Usually the beer cooler or another food.
I always feel weird, like, standing next to it the whole party.
Yeah.
I mean, I've done it. But, like, it's like everybody else is trying to get in there, and, like, they come back for seconds, and like, I'm still there. It's, like, it's weird.
Yeah, it's like, are they judging you, or are they just, like, they just know?
I think, like, deep inside everybody else's heads, they want to do the same thing, so they're kind of, like, maybe jealous that I'm doing it.
Yeah.
Did you try this shit in the fridge in there?
What?
Did you try the shit in the fridge in
No,
there?
I didn't. I don't know if
I know he did. It was, dude, it's hot.
Yeah.
At first, Matt's like, it's not that hot. It's not that hot. And then he's like, yeah, I can handle hot stuff. And then Kyle tried it. And Kyle put it on, like, a piece of his French fry or something, and he started, like, choking.
Kyle, remember when you tried that hot sauce in the fridge and started choking?
I was dying. I was like, how much do I need to put on it? It's like, not a lot. So I put it no more bigger than like the size of a dime.
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit less than the size of a dime. On like one piece, on like one like potato wedge. For like probably over an hour. My mouth was just on fire. Couldn't taste shit. It was bad. I was bitching for like 30 minutes straight. Hey. You really picked the worst. You could just go right around. You picked the most difficult path to walk.
It's okay. It's a little too far.
How does that make sense?
Laziness.
If you would have tripped, I would have laughed.
And then I would have died. And then for being lazy, karma would have got me. Even though I take the stairs everywhere, so like I'm not.
Why? Do you not like elevators?
I like elevators. When I have luggage with me, I take the elevator. But if I'm just walking, is good for you.
What? Are you 500 pounds?
No.
Yeah, I don't think so.
So like,
You can afford to take an elevator.
yeah. If that's the only option, yeah. Or if it's like, if it's more than like, I have a limit. There's like a cutoff. It's like 3 or 4
When I'm at
stories.
the airport, I take the stupid walk, the
Yeah, the little
instead
walking
of you
carpets.
can walk faster, I'm standing there. I don't care. That's America.
Yeah.
You good?
I'm just, I wasn't ready for the, but you were getting there. That was kind of spot on.
What?
Can you push us more?
You close enough to run it with a ball?
No.
No?
No.
Oh, how the you told me to push it. That's what I was thinking.
You got like a good ways to go there.
Let me go down with, hit the, no, I'll do it. Because you're going to send this shit right down without me.
You got this thing in gear?
You gotta trust.
You got it in gear?
No.
You usually pop it in gear?
Nope.
Oh, I do every time. Pop it in gear, and then you can spin the
Yeah, spin
rotors and lock them in and get the spline in there.
Alright, want to try it again? Yes, keep going. Oh yeah,
Yeah,
I can start bolt there.
Yeah, there you go. That's all you need to do. Tricks of the trade.
It's like you've done this a time or two.
Yeah, you could say that.
Dude, maybe 3.
These wheel wells clean.
Yeah. This whole thing is clean. All right. That's a good way to end the day.
Is it?
I think so.
Yeah, it's been here a long while.
She's a monster now, eh?
Oh yeah.
He's gonna go crazy. At least he's gonna have maybe a little bit of time before the snow flies up there. He might have a couple days of
Yeah, I was gonna say.
There's not gonna be a hell of a lot, man.
It's cutting it close.
Yeah. Like even the temperature drop from us coming down here. It's like he had his winter jacket on when we left last night. Opens the door down here. He's
Like, holy cow.
This is hot down here. It's crazy.
All right, so I guess you're just taking the car with you.
That's it. Off we go with the car.
All right. Well, I'll wash my hands and we'll get it pulled out.
Let's wash my hands. I'll pull it out.
Okay.
If you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to follow us on our social medias and stay tuned for the next one.